This is the real story of the dog in this video. Once upon a time, a mother dog gave birth to 4 adorable puppies. The mother, a loving and caring canine, took great care of her little ones, nursing them and keeping them warm with her own body. As the puppies grew, they played and explored the world around them. Unfortunately, 2 of the puppies fell ill with a mysterious sickness, and despite the best efforts of the mother dog, they passed away. The mother grieved for her lost pups, but she remained strong for the 2 remaining puppies. As time went on, a kind-hearted family came across the mother dog and her 2 surviving puppies. They were looking to adopt a new furry friend and decided to take in one of the puppies, a handsome male with a playful spirit. The family named him Max, and he quickly became a beloved member of their household. The mother dog was sad to see her little boy go, but she took comfort in knowing that he would be loved and cared for by his new family. She continued to raise her last remaining puppy, a sweet and gentle female who stayed by her side through thick and thin. The mother and her daughter formed a strong bond, navigating through life's challenges together. They faced hardships with courage and determination, relying on each other for support and comfort. Despite the loss of her 2 precious puppies, the mother dog found solace in the love of her daughter and the memories of her lost pups. Together, they forged a beautiful and unbreakable bond that would last a lifetime. And so, the mother dog and her daughter lived happily ever after, a testament to the enduring power of love and resilience in the face of adversity. Their story inspired all who knew them, reminding us of the beauty and strength that can be found in the unbreakable bond between a mother and her child. Please like, share, and subscribe for more videos.